and respected teacher. And today I am come here for telling importance of English. First, I giving my introduction. Then I after tell why English is important. First, my name is Sony, and I am pursuing in 12th class. I live in Gopal Colony near Simangaram Public School, and I'm a 16-year-old, and I want to become a doctor. And with sincerity, with honesty, and with hard working. And my strength is I'm not a fake person, and my weakness is I'm not a cheater. And now I have skills also. I have first skills, I can communicate in English very well. And my second skill, I can stretch clothes English. I can stretch clothes girls and boys also. And my third skill is how to treat youngers and elders. And my fourth skill, now I'm learning a graphic design. And now about my family background. 6 members in my family: father, mother, 3 sisters, and me, my brother. My mother name is Mrs. Mukesh, and she is a housewife. And my father name is Mr. Chevagan, and he is doing work in factory. Now I'm telling why English is important for every student life. First, I have how to learn English. I learned English from Akansh Academy. It's established in Shakti Nagar near Shiv Mandir under flower, and established 10 April 2025. Coach name is Mr. Vikram Goswami, and they provide English course and also basic computer course. About us, what you doing in academy if you join this academy? First of all, you can speak very well English. How to how to learn English? How to learn English? And how to speak with confidence, and how to improve your personality with English speaking. And here help student, every student. Now I'm speaking very well English. सुनाई दे रहा है? And we teach Hindi and English. If you learn anything in your language, then you can speak very well. You can learn very well. So they provide in Hindi course, and you learn in English. Our course, spoken course. English course is two types: IELTS and spoken. IELTS, when we learn IELTS, then you need of go another country, then we learn IELTS. Here only provide spoken English course. Spoken English course, when we learn, then you only can communicate with each other, then you learn spoken course. And interview preparation. If you go for any job anywhere, then you have a need of interview. Then first of all take your interview. Then you can't speak in English, then your interview is failed. And computer course is here also. Computer course provided in Akansh Academy. Why choosing us? Because here teaching method is so easy, and with daily speaking practice. We speak and daily give sir, my sir give daily topics like it's for bench. It's a give topic and make line in English. So we learn slowly English. And small batches. What the mean of small batches? In only one batches have a 7-8 student. So he give every student focus, and it's provided friendly environment. Here provide friendly environment. Also student are friendly and teacher is so friendly. Our teaching method: daily conversation. You can communicate another student and with sir and improve your mistakes. Daily practice speaking. Daily practice do in your home. Speaking combined. When you speak English, then you feel confident. Group discussion. We make a circle and discuss any topic. What the disadvantage of this? What the advantage of this? What is this? And real life example. Real life example means now I'm speaking very well English in front of you, and I'm a real life example from I learned from Akansh Academy. Our result, many students learn from here and speak very well English. Student now speak confidently, like I am speak now very confidently. Positive feedback from my family and others. Like my father said me, what you do in your academy, I will see. So my father said, my factory owner no English. You can speak with her, with him, and how to improve your English. Then I will see. So I communicate with her and speak very well English there. So my father boss tell me, your the daughter know very well English now. And job seeker also join us. If you do any job, and also you can join us. Two batch available at morning, at evening. You can come anytime. Facilities friendly environment. No required any book and no required bags. I don't take any time of bag. Weekly tested. Weekly tests. What you do in 1 week, in Saturday your test. And CCTV camera. Also there for safety purpose, CCTV camera. What you doing in academy? Monthly parents meeting. What you do in your academy? You learn English and you don't do any work. So there is also parents meeting every month. Timing is fees, flexible timing. You can, when you have a time, then you can come in academy. There is flexible time for according to students. And affordable fees. Affordable fees mean you can afford this course. Like I go in PCC Academy, their area is model town, so fees is too high. Every month 5,000 rupees she tell me fees. So I can't join this academy because I can't affordable. So now then after some time, their Akash Academy is open. Then I go there and see there is very, we can speak in English, we can learn English very well. Now I'm speaking. Student who completed this course names Nancy, Divyanshu, Ajay, and Somi, Lakshmi, and me. No admission charges. Here is no admission charges for early birth students. Special facilities for girls. If you join any girl this course, then you can also learn basic computer course. Summary. Akans Academy learn from your, remove your mistakes and remove your hesitation. With confidence you speak and personality improve, and grammar concept you learn. Then you learn when you learn English. Learn English, then your face shape from future. If you learn this English, then you can give your future safe. Contact us. There is Sakti Nagar near Shiv Mandir. Contact us. Number 9050191541. And on YouTube link, we also in YouTube Akash Academy Panipat. And you can search also in map. And now, thank you for listening to me this presentation. Now I'm telling why English is important. English is important because if you learn English, then you can take very well job in future. My sister, I give you one example. My sister go for job maybe 3 and 4 week ago, and she give me interview. Then they take interview in English. She don't know English, and her interview is failed. So this problem also with you can be. So you can also join us, and you can speaking like me very well English. But you understand, and you student tell me.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.